Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to fix Shopee no available shipping option. So if you are getting that error, so when you go to Shopee and you're getting this error which says that no available shipping option, so that there are no options to ship to your location. So there might be a few reasons for this, so I will show you the reasons. So it could be because of a typhoon, like a cyclone. It could be that they might not have a logistic facility in your area. So these are the issues that can arise. So the solution is that first I will tell you, if you can order it to your friend's location or someone you know, try to do that. That's the best method you can do, and you can just go and take from your friend. Second is to reduce the quantity. So let's say we are buying this. Okay, so when you're buying it, try to reduce the quantity. So I will just log in here. So if you're buying a large quantity, try to just order a few quantity for now and reduce it. So once you are adding it to cart, choose the color, add to cart. So if you have a quantity like 5 to 10, just try to reduce it and see if you can order a less quantity. And if that doesn't work, what you can do is try changing the payment options that you pay through. So try using the option that is preferred by Shopee, which is the Shopee Express. So these are the methods that you can try. The best way is to order at your friend's house and change the location. Just put your friend's location which is closest to you. So that will definitely work. So that's how you can solve this issue. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.